Good day everyone, my name is Ruslan and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, I hope you're good. I hope you're fine and check this out. So today, we are going to be looking at the power of curtain walls, right? I believe when it comes to modeling, when it comes to all these different facades and all these designs, although we do have the massing inside, but these straightforward models, I think that's the right way of saying it, right? These a bit, you could say, not, there are two types of surfaces, right? We have the organic surfaces and we have the hard model surfaces. So for the organic one, of course, we can use massing inside, but for the hard surfaces, curtain walls is one of the strongest tools inside Revit, right? But the thing is that you have to know how to use it. So in curtain walls, we usually have two different things. One are the mullions and one are the panels. The panels and the mullions, right? So I mean, if you make a separate family for both of them, you can do so many different things. So let's go to home right here, let's go to new right here, and for example, let's go to profile mullion, and let's again go to home, and this is the second one, which is the curtain wall panel. So we have opened two profiles. All right, for this one right here, which is let's go to the exterior. Okay, this is the exterior, or okay, fine, this is exterior. Let's close all inactive views and let's make first of all, let's make a curtain panel. So RP and two planes right here. Okay, and now let's go to create, let's go to extrusion, and we are in our exterior, right? Remember, so from this point to this point right here, and after that, let's click on the line again. From this point to this point again, and let's go to this, and let's give it offset of 2 inches. I think that's enough, right? One right here and one right here. After that, let's go to this line right here. So check this out. It was so easy and so quick. All right, and so now DI, and this is going to be from this point to this point. So this is 900. All right. How about we change this to 450? So it means that it's going to be 900 mm. All right. So this is the first one that we have made. If you go to a 3D view and we check this out, so this is what we have. After that, let's close all inactive views. Let's go to this right here, and these are the mullions. All right. For the mullions, we kind of need a straight profile. So for this one, let's go to the right, and let's go to, first of all, RP. 1 and 2 right here, 1 and 2 right here, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So the method is the same. All right, if you want to make shapes, there can be literally hundreds of different examples for this, but once your main concept is clear. So today, you guys are going to have an idea of how powerful and how handy mullions and panels are. So millimeters, 2 decimal places, I'm doing everything in front of you guys, right? Now let's go to this, and let's go to this point right here. So let's so the other one was 450, right? This one, let's make it 200, so it means it's going to be 400. And this one right here, for example, if we go back to the exterior view, and all right, so to the inside, how about we make this 250? Perfect. Close all inactive views. Let's go back to our line, and this is gonna be create line, and how about a rectangle is very easy, isn't it? How about something like okay, fine. All right, so let's go to a line, and a 1 and a 2 and a lock, and 1 and a 2 and a lock. Perfect. Now let's load it into the project. So this is project 2, and this one is, what is this? This is family 6. All right, so we have added a mullion. Now, for example, let's go to this wall. So inside we have the usual storefront walls, and outside we are going to edit excuse me, we are going to edit these walls, and we are going to change it into a facade, right? So edit, duplicate. This is going to be the mullion 1, and okay, and now we're changing the mullions, right? So let's go to HI to isolate, and now let's press tab, for example, tab right here. Okay, and now select visible in view, cross that out, go to this, select empty. It means that we have removed the panels. After that, let's all right, let's click on one of these profiles, and let's go to edit, and okay, we cannot edit it until we unpin it. So now let's go to edit and let's go to duplicate. So this is going to be our mullion family 6, and this is where we are going to import our profile. So this is it, right? Profile number 6, and the material, let's I don't know why, but come on, today I am in a mood for some red aluminum. Okay, this one looks nice. Use rendered appearance, okay, and check this out. So one of them is already changed, and it is a circle, you guys remember? So for example, if we click on one of that, and we go to right click, select view invisible, we go to unpin, and we click on that, and we edit this. And check this out, guys. So it is changed, all right? So this is just one example. Then for example, if we go to HR, we go back to a normal view, and so this is one of the examples. We have imported this mullion into the profile. Now let's go to exterior, and these are panels, right? Let's go to load, and this is family number 7, loading to the project. And now let's edit this one right here. So this is going to be the edit and duplicate, and this is going to be the imported panel family 6. All right, imported panel family 6. And after that, in this case, so it's the other way around. We have to remove all the mullions. We do not need the mullions, and we do not need the mullions. Let's remove all of them. Let's remove all of them. And do you guys remember the center to center distance of that was delete mullions? You know what? Why are we wasting time? The center to center distance was 500. Oh my god. Okay. So now, for example, this one right here. Let's go to panels, and this is already made, right? Curtain wall, mullion. No, our R1 was what? R1 was family 7, and now the center to center distance was 500, right? So 500, and for this one also 500. And if you press apply, let's see what happens. Come on. Yes, and check this out, guys. So all of this was done within minutes, within seconds. You can make so many different variations, and this is what we have made. All right, so for example, if this one needs a bit of editing, let's go to right here, and let's check out our center to center distance again. So the center to center distance is that, and for example, if you press DI from this point to this point right here, what is this? This is 846.50. Okay, 847. Let's go to 847. So let's click on this, and let's go to edit, and the horizontal, the vertical, let's change it into 847. Let's see what happens. 847. Yes, and perfect. This is what I was doing. All right, so check this out. 2 very awesome, very nice facades within seconds. And guys, do you want to have more fun? Do you have more time? For example, this is it, right? So let's go to duplicate, and this is going to be the mullion 2. All right, the mullion 222. Let's name it 222. Why not? So for example, and you know what? We duplicated the wrong thing. How about we go to back? And back, and this one already has the settings. Okay, we can go to front to bring that settings again. Okay, now this one, let's duplicate this one, right? Because it already has those settings, isn't it? So this is going to be the mullion 2. Fine. Okay. Now let's go back to our new. Let's go to new, and come on, I have to hurry up. So profile mullions, and yes, this is what we have. And let's go to DI, and okay, RP, not DI. Let's go to modify, and let's click on RP from this point to this point, and let's go to DI from here to here to here to here, and equal, and from this point to this point. And now let's press UN, and let's change this to millimeters. Let's go to 2 decimal places. Let's go to okay, and let's go to create. Let's go to no, we need a line. Let's go to 9. Let's go to circle right here, and this is the reference level, right? How about we go to rectangle this time, and let's try to paste a rectangle right here. So the distance of this is 360. How about we click on this point, and we change this distance to 350. Can't you change this value? Why not? Okay, how about we delete this and for example this point. So let's change this to 150, right? And now let's go to grid, let's go to rectangle, let's go to this point right here, and let's get something to here, and let's lock all the sides. So 1 and 2, and perfect. And all right, so now let's load it into the project. This is going to be the project 2, and this is family 8, guys, remember, right? So now let's get to our change this, go to mullion number 2, let's go to edit, and okay, how about we go to HI, and once we are in HI, let's go to architecture, let's go to mullions, let's go to edit, and last time what did you import? Mullion number 6, let's go to edit. So this is going to be duplicate, this is going to be family number 7, and in this case family number 8, and fine, let's press OK. And now let's go to modify, let's click on one of these mullions right here, that there are no panels, remember, and right click and select and view entire project, and it's already unpinned. So now what should we do? So let's go to unpin right here, and let's go to, this is family number 7, and check this out, guys. So look at how beautiful this is. All right, so HR, sorry, and so I mean 2 different variations within minutes. All right, that's how powerful curtain walls are. So we made 3 different designs so easily. And guys, you know, although the video has become too long, but do you want to have one final fun? For example, if you open up that video, if you extend this profile a little bit, and fine, if you go load into the project and overwrite the existing version, if we come right here, so this one right here is for example, if we select on this, if we go to edit type, if we go to family, and if we apply our new profile, if we press OK, and check this out, so another beautiful design, you know. And so I mean there are literally hundreds of different designs that you can make, and this one is left, guys, although the video is so long. You know what, let's make it before ending it, guys. You know, I hate these long videos. So curtain wall, panel where you, so it's going to be another interesting design, right? I'm coming up with these designs, I don't know, within right now, within making the video. So you know, let's go to the exterior side, let's go to RP right here. This is going to be 1, and this is going to be 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 right here, and okay, paste. After that, let's go to DI, and let's go to modify, and why are there 2 work planes? Okay, after that, let's go to DI, so 1 and 2 and 3 and a paste, and let's press equal, okay, and 1 and 2 and fine, and let's click on that, fine, and let's press UN, and let's change this to excuse me, to millimeters. Okay, after that, let's go to modify, let's click on this point, and let's click on this, and let's change this to 450, means that it's going to be 900. After that, let's go to extrusion. So remember, this is the exterior side, right? Let's go to extrusion, and let's go to circle right here, and all right, so let's make it 60, and let's click on this point, and so and let's click on this point, let's bring it right here, and this is going to be CO. So let's activate multiple. This is going to be 1, 2 and 3 and 4, and let's click on MD. So let's click on this point right here, and it's going to be CO. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, perfect. So this is it. Let's go to OK, and let's go to 3D view. Let's close all activities, and check this out. Oh my god, so this is what you have made. It may look so you could say weird right now, but I think it's going to make sense. And now let's load into the project. So this is family number 2, right? Let's load into the family number 2. Why do we have to open? Okay, so this is it right now. Let's go to this wall right here. This is the imported panel, family number 6. Let's duplicate this, and let's bring another one. All right, and fine. Now let's click on this, and let's go to the new one, which is family panel number 7, and come on, delete elements, that's fine. After that, for example, if we go to the edit this tab, and in this case, let's import our new one. Let's go to apply, and okay, fine. Okay, it makes sense, right? Let's go to OK right here, and let's bring in the cursor right here, and let's go to this was family number 6. Why did we edit this? And in this case, let's go back to our original family, and let's go to our exterior, and oh my god, I'm speaking so fast. Let's go to DI, and this is 720 and 900. All right, these are important. Why do I keep on forgetting to note down these values? Let's go to applicate, and 720 and 500. Remember, so 500 and this is going to be 720. Let's apply and let's check this out. What we have made. And delete elements does fine, a few of them. Okay, here you go, guys. So this is it. Look at what we have made. And I don't know, I just came out with this design right now. It doesn't look that bad, right? It's okay. It's not that cool also, but it's not that bad. I think we have to fix the distance in between. But anyways, actually, if we go to edit type, the distance is not these two. It's actually from DI. It's from this point to this point. Which is 1664. Okay, 1664. The video is so long. Let's go to edit. So instead of 500, instead of this, instead of this 1664, let's see what happens. Delete elements, delete type. Okay, you know what? Okay, now much better. I think we fixed it, right? This is it. So anyways, guys, you can play around with it as long as your concept and your idea is clear, right? These are these sort of pipes, so they don't look that bad, right? they kind of look okay. I just came up with this right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you learned so much from this. The video is overall very messy, but there are so many small points and tricks and all the profiles and all the things that I've changed. So you can learn a lot of things from this video if you concentrate on it and if you watch it again and again. All right. So have a good day. Take care of yourself, and bye-bye.